Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. Starting here on the daily chart, we can see Bitcoin has been delivering to the sell side and is currently downtrending. So overall, we'll have a short bias overall. And here on the 1 hour chart, today we get a body candle close above the London session. I was short biased based on this candle and missed this long trade opportunity and actually took 2 losses on a short trade. Then this afternoon we get a body candle close here below the New York PM session. And I'm able to get a short position here and able to take profit at the first level. And we'll see how price continues from here. From there, we'll go into the 5-minute and get some better definition and a closer look at my trades from today. So here, this is the area here that is going to be equivalent to this area here. And this is where my short bias kicked in instead of trading what was actually here on the 60-minute chart. So if we come here on the 60-minute chart, we can see Bitcoin delivers to the buy side here during the London session. And then at the close of the London session, we get a body candle close above the London session. So this, to me, now would trigger only a potential long, and then I would look for it in the following candles here. With that in mind, this candle here, as I mentioned, gave me the idea or faked me out in going short with this sweep type trade or with this sweep type price action. But this candle right here is what's going to control. And then you can see Bitcoin delivers to the buy side here after some pullback, and then delivers to the buy side. And then what I did observe, or what would have been the target for this trade, would have been this level back here. So you can see with this body candle close, Bitcoin closed within the Asian range of yesterday and the PM session, the New York PM session of yesterday. So closed within both of these ranges. So I would look to take profits here at the high here of the New York PM session. And if we get a look at both of them here, we can see this here. This is the buy side liquidity that I would have wanted to target here, and we can see here in this candle that buy side liquidity gets swept out. Sorry about that. That's my neighbor's dog and then my other neighbor's puppy making lots of noise while I'm trying to go live right now. So with that in mind, missing those trades, and then we can get a closer look at them here. So this is where I went short, where actually this would have been the first long attempt, and then I would have taken an entry here and then would have been stopped out right here. But instead, I took a short here and then was stopped out here. Following that, this would have been my second attempt long with price action creating a market structure shift here, taking pullback and an entry here in this candle with a stop below here. This trade would have worked out for about a 2.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So this would have made up for the previous losing trade here. But instead I went short here and then added here, which actually just made it a full position. I didn't go in full size here. So half size and half size for a full size position, and then a stop out here. So trading the wrong direction and paying for it. Then we'll come over here to the current trade, which is here. So here on the 60 minute, come in. This is the high of the New York PM session. This is the low of the New York PM session. This candle here closes below the low of the New York PM session, which triggers a short bias for me. The following candle trades here up here to the buy side and trades into this volume imbalance. So there's a volume imbalance right here. Volume imbalance. There's a volume imbalance right here in between the candle bodies of these two candles here. So this is the volume imbalance here. Price trades up into that and through that, closes back here, and then I'm able to take an entry when price delivers back to the sell side within this candle. And then we'll take a look at that here on the 5 minute. So here on the 5 minute, this is this candle here. This is this price action right here. This is the equivalent here. So price action delivers to the buy side after closing below that level here, the New York PM session. Delivers to the buy side and then creates a market structure shift. This candle here is lower than the two candles to the left and to the right of it, with the low being 93,164.1, and then the candle to the left and the candle to the right both share the same low of 93,165. So this candle is 90 cents lower. And then this candle here closes below it, creating a market structure shift here to the sell side. This triggered an entry for my system. And as price pulled back here in this candle, I was able to take an entry here at the market structure shift level. And then price delivered to the sell side. We get some consolidation here as price is trading into this fair value gap area, or this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here on the 5 minute, this area. And then price redelivers to the sell side here and is now consolidating and redelivering back to the buy side as this area here of this fair value gap area, or this area of sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance, this area right here on the 5 minute. Then I took profit targets here, or my first profit target is here. You can see it denoted here on the 60 minute, and this is in correlation here on the 1 hour with this fair value gap for the price action rebalancing, or attempting to rebalance this fair value gap. So as price entered this area here, I looked for targets on the 60 minute chart. So I took a partial here of 25% of my position and still holding the remaining 75% of the position. I have brought my stop loss back to break even. My stop loss was at this level, just above the buy side liquidity resting here. Based on my broker, there's a spread, so my stop loss was based on the spread. Once I took profit here, I brought my stop loss back here to the break even. And then for potential targets coming up, I am looking at the sell side liquidity resting below the New York AM session. There's going to be some liquidity resting here at the low end of this buy side imbalance, sell side efficiency here, and there's going to be some sell side liquidity resting below the London session. So looking at those three remaining targets, and then ultimately profit target being down here at the low of the London session, this sell side liquidity at 89,264.9. My entry here 93,162.6, and my stop loss I've moved to break even. Then for my history for today, this is the first loss here during the New York AM session. Then this is the second loss here during the New York AM session. And now this is the current position here with this sell full size here at 93,162.6. And then first partial 25% here at 92,355 here for $4. So this here comes up to about minus $11 here, and there's plus this $4 here, and floating some USDT here. So technically I'm plus here for the day with the unrealized, and we'll see if we can continue to deliver to the sell side for more take profits here. And we can see price action now after delivering into this 60-minute, this 1 hour fair value gap here. You can see price return to the buy side here, and now price is consolidating, and we'll see if price decides to return back to the sell side after trading into this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency right here. We're starting to see price deliver back here to the sell side, and starting to see USDT here come back into the unrealized. And next profit target, again the sell side liquidity resting below the New York AM session, then this liquidity resting below, resting at the low of this buy side imbalance, sell side efficiency, and ultimately sell side liquidity here for the London PM session. And we're getting further sell side delivery here with some speed. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OneTiltTrading.com. Trade safe, trade together.